Hello everyone, I'm Charles from Datatruck and welcome to our today's tutorial about detention and lumper fee. If I'm not mistaken, in our last lesson we learned how to edit the load, and right now let's move on to adding new detention and a new lumper fee. Okay, as you can see here in other page section we have detention and lumper fee buttons, and if we click to detention we can see the two different statuses. One is open, one is closed. What it means, open means it's open and it's not approved by broker to payment yet. So we'll put it is as open and let's see what happens. Waiting for detention, for example. Okay, click to save, and here we can see open detention, and here as well. And the system is telling you this load is waiting for detention approval. Okay, let's open load and let's try to close it by clicking to this triple dot and edit. So let's change our driver compensation full amount and put close status. So $100, let's say approved. And if we just refresh our page, here we can see open detention tag is disappeared, and here we can see amount with the note approved. If we go back to load management, the open detention message is disappeared because it's already closed. So that's pretty good, working fine. Okay, this is about detention. Let's move on to add lumper. Let's try to add lumper, and here we can see paid by. If it's paid by company, it means you need to invoice that amount to your broker. If it's paid by broker, there is nothing to change in the load, so the system knows that and it won't add any amount to the load. Even if it adds, it will be deducted at the end, so it won't be invoiced for the accounting department. Mostly depends. So if it's paid by driver, it means you need to reimburse that amount to your driver. That's why you will put $100. So let's see what happens. Paid by driver, and let's click to save, and we can see lumber fee added here. And if we open trip here as well, lumber fee added. Here detention is not added because we compensation put 0 for driver. If I'm mistaken, let's see. Yes, amount payable to drivers shows 0. Let's change it to 100 to get it in trips. So now it's correct. If something close to this happens, please fix it ASAP. Okay, let's continue. Here we have lumber fee added, detention added, and let's see what happens if we remove this one and we'll put paid by broker. Paid by broker, $100. Just by broker, let's put like this not by broker. So skin 60 added, and just after that, it's like deducted. Why? Because it's paid by broker, so total pay for the load is $450, but it shouldn't be in the invoice. That's why it's at the same time deducted. So that's why it's $450, not $550, and $100 coming from detention. If we remove detention, it will be 350 like this because it's paid by broker. I think this is correct, and you are adding this lumper just for your information to make it, posted in your history load of history of the load. So if we put it's paid by company, and let's see what happens. So lumber fee just added and not deducted, and right now we have total pay $450 like this. Thank you for your time and attention. See you in our next tutorials. Have a great day. Bye.